Hi everyone, welcome to SHSIR classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 7 centimeter. So constructing a circle of radius 7 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here a line of length 7 centimeter. So first we have to draw the radius 7 centimeter. So this is starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first drawing here a line of length 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. Now taking here a point. Next taking the length 7 centimeter by using compass by this way. Next putting the compass on the point, and now we have to draw arc by this way. So this is represent a circle, and this is perfect picture of circle. Now joining this, and which is the radius of this circle. So now joining this one and taking here center O and here A. So OA equal to 7 centimeter. So therefore radius OA, so radius OA equal to 7 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.